Welcome back to my channel. As you already know, I'm Brandeezy. If you don't know, that means you're not subscribed and you need to. So go ahead and subscribe. Today's video is going to be about the Maybelline Superstay Foundation and the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts, if I like it, if it's trash, if you just need to stick with your Fenty, or whatever else you were using. I'm going to let you guys know in this video. If you guys like to see a review on these two products, just keep on watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Share this video. Maybelline, holla at your girl. Alright, so I've already done my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, there's a video. I'll link it down below. I color corrected and I primed with the Maybelline Bare Skin primer and color corrected with EYEBROW Pro Conceal in orange. So now we're going to get into the foundation. I have the color 356 Warm Coconut. This is what it looks like. I think what I'm going to do is one side I'm going to do Beauty Blender and the other side I'm going to use a brush to see like which one applies better. Okay, so let's do this side with the brush, this side with the Beauty Blender. I'm going to use a Real Technique, whatever kind of brush this is, a foundation brush I think is. I think the color is a little dark, but we'll see how I can make it work. It's definitely too dark. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize. Alright, so this side I'm going to use the Beauty Blender. This is a brand new Real Technique sponge. Definitely soaking it up a lot. Like, I don't have anything left on my hair. Okay, I like it better with the Beauty Blender. The Beauty Blender side looks a lot more like natural and smooth. So we're gonna fix the brush side out. Foundation looks nice though. It's really, really nice. For the concealer, I got the color Caramel. It burns. It burns. Hopefully that burning goes away. I like the sponge though. It's fun. I like this color, it's like a natural highlight. I love this. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so I'm back. For my final thoughts, this foundation, hope I'm the right way. This foundation, like, all the hype that people are doing on YouTube is not fake. I'm not sponsored. I'm not a beauty guru. This is the truth though. I usually use Fenty, and in Fenty Beauty I'm in the color 390. I still love this foundation, but I was looking for more of an everyday foundation. Like, this is really, really nice to go out and take pictures and stuff, but I needed like an everyday foundation, and this Maybelline Superstay is where it's at. My Maybelline Fit Me, you gotta go. Like, you Fit Me don't have nothing on this foundation. Nothing. The coverage is way better. It goes on way more smooth. This is matte and poreless. That over there, that's matte with some pores. This is matte and poreless. No pores. Beautiful. And the color is great. I think they need to come out with more shades though, because this color is like, if not the last color, like the second to last color. And there's what happened to my melanin infused people. Like, Maybelline do a little bit better, but you guys are on the right track. As for the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I just want to know, like, what took them so long to make darker colors. But this concealer is replacing my LA Girl Pro concealer. Even though this is cheaper, this does not crease. This goes on in like so smooth. Blending, I had a little in, but I think that's because I didn't put enough at first. I added some more off camera, but let me just show y'all. Y'all see my skin? These two are perfect. These are my everyday foundations now. Now what I need Maybelline to do is take all the colors that they have for Fit Me that I threw over there and make it in Superstay so everybody can try it, and extend. Oh shoot, where's Cap? I'm already being unsanitary. And extend these, because we need some more colors. 12 is not enough. We need some more, but and Maybelline, y'all got it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my review. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you give this a thumbs up so I know to continue doing makeup videos. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything to see like what people like. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave some comments down below and give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.